I shouldn't have asked a clumsy girl like you to carry the rice. Now we're going to starve. We have to go to work. If we don't go to work, we won't have anything to eat.
Mommy, I love you. I miss you. You are always the pride of the family. Keep it up.
Wow.
Stop crying. Be quiet. I will feed you.
Huh?
You are quite badly injured. You rest. I will earn money to take you to the hospital. And thank you very much, Doctor.
Huh?
Huh?
How can I sell rotten melons like this?
Oh my God, this is too much damage.